All right, bonjour class. So since I am not there today, and you guys can't do the listening section without me, you guys are going to see this video. I'm going to quickly go through the format of the test, and then we'll all do the listening section together, just like usual, and then you guys will do the reading section on your own and the writing section on your own. Please keep in mind that I'm not there, and your sub most likely does not speak French. So if you have a question about language, they will probably not be able to help, but just keep that in mind. Since I'm not there today and I can't answer your questions during the test, I'll be easier on our grading just to make sure that you guys understand everything that's going on. So first, we're going to go through the format of the test. It's just like always. We got a learning section. We've learned the whole time. We have a listening section, a reading section, and a writing section. Okay, the listening section we'll do all together at the same time at the beginning, and then you guys will be able to go through the reading section and the writing section at your own pace. So there are 6 listening questions. You're going to always check what language you're supposed to be answering in. If you're supposed to be writing in English, it will say write in English. If you're supposed to be writing in French, it will say write in French. So just check that carefully. Kirk. Hey, Kirk. He doesn't care. That's my cat. So we're going to get started, and we're going to do the listening section first. So just get ready. We're going to start up at number 1 at the top. For numbers 1, 2, and 3, you are writing in English. Oh, he figured it out. You're writing in English what I say in French. So I'm going to speak French. You write down English, okay? I'm going to do each sentence 3 times, and that's it. You guys have blown it out of the water the past few times, so I expect we can listen and be ready to go the first 3 times I say it, okay? So get ready to go. Got my paper with the answers on it here, and we'll go ahead and start. So number 1, write in English what I say in French. J'aime faire de la randonnée. Number 1 again. J'aime faire de la randonnée. And third time, j'aime faire de la randonnée. Okay, moving on to number 2. Again, I'm going to say something in French. You write down what I mean in English, okay? Number 2, 3 times. Je n'aime pas faire du vélo. Number 2 again. Je n'aime pas faire du vélo. And number 2, a last time. Je n'aime pas faire du vélo. All right, moving on to number 3. In this one, I'm asking a pretend person in a conversation to make plans, okay? All you need to write down is, in English, what activity do I make a plan for, and what day do I make it, okay? So number 3, again, I'll do this 3 times. Number 3, tu veux tirer à l'arc à jeudi? Number 3, second time. Tu veux tirer à l'arc à jeudi? And last time for number 3, tu veux tirer à l'arc à jeudi? Okay, and again, guys, this is not a spelling test, so please don't worry. Even if you're having trouble spelling something in English, just do your very best. Not a spelling test. All right, number 4, okay, so numbers 4 and 5, let me check. Yes, numbers 4 and 5 are pronunciation questions. So I'm going to pronounce it correctly and pronounce it incorrectly. You circle which version is the correct version, okay? So I'll say version 1, then I'll pronounce the word. Version 2, I'll pronounce the word. You circle the one that's correct. I'm going to do each of these 2 times, okay? 2 times. So for number 4, get ready. Circle the version that is correct. All right? Version 1. Faire les arts dramatiques. Version 2, faire les arts dramatiques. Okay, number 4, this is the last time, I'm only doing these 2 times. Last time. Number 4, version 1, faire les arts dramatiques. Version 2, faire les arts dramatiques. Okay, moving on to number 5. Same exact setup. Circle the version that's correct. Number 5, version 1, chanter. Version 2, chanter. Okay, but number 5 one more time. Version 1, chanter. Version 2, chanter. Class, let me do that one again. I pronounce them both the same way. Number 5. Okay, this is the for real one. Number 5. Version 1, chanter. Version 2, chanter. And we'll do it one last time. Number 5, chanter. Chanter. Sorry about that mix-up, guys. Okay, and we are going to move on to number 6. This is a dictation, okay? So it's French to French. French comes out of my mouth and it goes onto your paper, okay? This is not a spelling test, okay? Please just do your best with spelling. I'm not going to take points off for it, okay? So for number 6, I'm going to do this 3 times. French comes out of my mouth. French goes onto your paper, okay? Number 6. J'aime regarder la télé à vendredi. Okay, second time, I'm going to go a little slower. Remember, I'm doing it 3 total times. Okay, second time. J'aime regarder la télé à vendredi. And number 6, a last time. J'aime regarder la télé à vendredi. And we'll do a bonus 4th time because I'm feeling nice. All right, last time for number 6. J'aime regarder la télé à vendredi. All right, guys, you are all set to keep going with the rest of the test all on your own, at your own pace. Please, again, always check the language that you are answering in. It will say answer in English, answer in French, okay? So for the reading section, you've got 4 questions. You're writing in English what that sentence means. And a writing section where you guys get to use the word bank. Different people will have different answers, okay? So I want you to tell me a true, real thing about yourself, about an activity that I like to do, I don't like to do, how to ask someone, what do you like to do, and do you want to blank on blank. That reminds me, everyone, please flip to number 4 on the writing section. I will give you a minute to do that. Number 4 on the writing section. So it says, write a question in French inviting a friend. Do you want to blank on blank? So let me show you what I mean. I want you to write in French. I want you to write the equivalent of this. Do you want to watch TV on Friday? But I want you to do a French version, okay? So however you would ask someone, do you want to watch TV on Friday in French? But again, you can choose whatever activities you want from the word bank. Okay, you guys should be all set. Bonne chance et bon weekend. Have a great weekend, guys. I will see you back to school à lundi, d'accord? Au revoir.